Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing some tips on how you can change wallpaper in your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. So if you want to change your wallpaper in your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, you can do it by following the few steps and tips which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can change wallpaper in your device.